Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a common frustration many Disney Plus users have. How to remove shows from the continue watching list. If you have ever left a movie or a show unfinished, you know how it can clutter up your homepage, but don't worry, I've got you covered with a couple of solutions. First, let's talk about the simplest method to skipping to the end. For movies, just fast forward for the credits and let it play through Disney Plus. Should then mark it as finished and remove it from your continue watching now. However, be patient and wait until the movie is fully done. If you skip too soon, it might reset your progress. For TV shows, it's a bit trackle. You'll need to jump to the final episode of the final season, then skip ahead to the end. This helps prevent the next episode from popping up in your continue watching, but again, make sure you skip right to the credits. Anything less may not register as completed, keeping the show in your list. Now, if you're looking for a more drastic solution, you can create a new profile. This is your nuclear option because it reels or resets your continue watching row completely. Just go to your profile settings, select add profile, and you're all set. However, keep in mind, you lose your watch list, so it's not ideal if there's something you actually want to keep the track of. Lastly, don't forget to disable autoplay. If you finish a movie but another one starts automatically, it will mess with your continue watching list. Just turn off autoplay in your profile settings to avoid these problems. And that is it. Hopefully, Disney Plus makes it easier in the future. But for now, this method should do the trick. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one.